That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support. October has been a rough month for me. If it wasn't one thing, it was another. This headlight restoration didn't turn out how I would like. I went as far as 800 grit sandpaper, and the headlight didn't come out as clear as I wanted it to be. My goal was to get it as clear as the new headlight. Maybe that goal was unrealistic. All I can say is I did my best. When it comes to the expedition, I was confident that it would come out perfect, but I didn't see a difference in the before and after. I felt like if I decided to go more aggressive than 800 grit, there was a possibility that I would have done more harm to the light. But in my defense, the customer informed me that another person had attempted to correct the lenses before my attempt. Both customers appeared satisfied, but I wasn't feeling it. If it ain't one thing, it's another. I had a small issue today. Now check out my mower. A couple of weeks ago, the engine failed. If you look at my last video, that's the yard that I was doing when the engine failed. The one when I started off with the bushes and then I started mowing the lawn. Well, right when I got done and I shut the, I got off the mower to grab my camera and shut everything down, it just blew. So I take it back to the dealer. I get a new engine put on there. It cost me $1,300. But it was to be expected because I had the lawnmower for 7 years and I've been using it. For those 7 years, I've been going hard with it. Okay, so the engine is running fine, but what ended up happening is the pulley keeps coming off. As you can see, the bearings are bad. Now, I was using it yesterday, and the blades just stopped. So I'm like, okay. So I take the deck lid off and started looking around and trying to see what was going on with it. And while doing that, I discovered that the entire pulley head came off. So I'm just sitting there like, wow, why did that happen? I put it back together. I let the engine cool, of course, and I put it back together. I cut 4 yards with it. I thought everything was fine. I thought the screw just, from vibration just came off. So I didn't think nothing else of it until I got out here this morning and started mowing this lawn. Came off again. When it came off again, I'm looking at it. The bearings don't look bad, and it's spinning. It's spinning okay, but I should have spent it to listen to the noise, because that's how when you know the bearings are going bad, you'll hear crazy noise. So I put it back on and started mowing again. Then I started seeing smoke coming from the deck. Take everything off. I took the deck lid off again. looked down in it, and I saw that the belt, that the pulley wasn't turning at all, and the belt was just grinding on that metal. That's what's creating smoke. So that was my issue. So what I did is I called my dealer, went and bought another one. And I just got to say, I love these machines like Skags and Exmarks. I love these machines because they could take a beating and just keep going. This is the original pulley. This is the pulley that it came with when I bought it. And this is the new one. It's totally different from it. It's the same size, but the makeup of it is totally different. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing on, and I gotta get back to work. All right, that's it. That should be it right there. And you see it's turning pretty freely, see? At first, it wasn't doing that. I mean, this thing that's seized up. It's destroyed. Man, I'm finna just get back to work. I got about 7 or 8 to do today. We got a lot of rain coming in, so. And it is what it is. I wanted to show you guys the bad along with the good. When things are going as planned, I still want to present the best version of me. A&A. With all that has happened, I continue to move forward. I may take a break, I may slow down, but I'll never quit. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.